Alright, so we got ourselves a Volvo today. So we're going to clean the mirror off, clean it off. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to knock them out, right? We got several of them already up. This is the last one anyway. You want to put a nut on here, right? Make sure you're just past the edge of it, right? You want to put a nut on it so you don't glance off the side of this thing and tear up the threads, because these are still brand new, you know. Take my trusty 8-pound, 10-pounder right here, and then you're gonna hit it like Stacy's mom, right? Bam. And you know, we put longer studs in there, an inch longer, because we didn't quite have a flush nut on them. So anyway, and then I'll show you here in just a second how we're gonna put them back in. Just gotta make sure it's seated all the way. The issue we're having right now is the wheel studs on this new hub assembly are too short. Okay. Nice. There we go. Alright, so seeing as these are a little bit longer, we had to, pull our roller out so we can get them in there. This cool little thing is what we use to put the studs in and out. And we spin it, make sure all of them are seated. Alright, so we took this chunk of steel right here, slides right over there like that, right? And a lot of times guys will just put a nut on here and a spacer and draw them through with the gun, but we don't like to do that because it could cause the threads to distort or whatever, so we go ahead and press them in like they're supposed to be pressed in. Just so no matter way we make sure that they're all the way in properly, like so. Well, there you go. On to the next one.